friends, for our science center today, we're going to do disappearing gingerbread. So you are going to need a few ingredients. You'll need milk, water, soda, and juice. You are going to place a little bit of milk, a little bit of water, a little bit of soda, and a little bit of juice into cups. So you need to pour or have mommy and daddy help you pour milk, water, soda, and juice into cups. Then you're going to need some cookies. Now, you can either use gingerbread cookies or any cookies that you have. And I want you to think in your brain, which liquid is going to cause your cookie to dissolve the quickest? So which of these liquids, milk, water, soda, or juice, is going to dissolve the cookie the fastest? Then you're going to complete your experiment. And you're going to decide which made it dissolve the fastest. So you're going to observe. All right, my friends, you can cut these pieces out and add them to your book if you would like, or you can leave it just as this page. Okay, boys and girls, have fun completing your science experiment, and we'll see you soon.